we now have it printing in black and blue. We haven't got it printing the red or the yellow yet, but we do have blue. We do have blue and black. This is surprising because this is the first time I've actually got the colour to print on this. Yeah, not bad. To get this printing, you have to do this code where you hold down the power and the resume buttons, you plug in the power lead, you hold it there until it stops moving, then you let go and then you hold down the cartridge power and resume. Hold that down until it goes on, and then you can press the cartridge button 16 times to make it beep 16 times, and it will clear the waste ink memory capacity. But that's not all, because I've actually dismantled the purge mechanism. I took all the pump out, I soaked it in isopropyl alcohol, the entire purge system, after literally tearing it down, so I had to clear that. I gave the circuitry a wipe because it was feeling a bit sticky, so I cleaned that using your general purpose contact cleaner for electronic parts. But clearing the purge, yeah, that's good. I will do another video on that, on how to actually tear down the entire printer, how to split the modules, and I may also show how to dismantle the purge mechanism, which is like clockworks, as there are a lot of gears in that part, which is located in this area of the printer.